Do you have your Switch with you? Okay, so I have to take 3 protection hits. It activates. Once activated...
He'll get stolen.
It might not. It might be alright. Next occasion that would put you into the dying state from the injured state is ignored. Next time you heal back to full health, your aura will be revealed to the killer. Okay. Increases your chance to be the killer's possession. Ooh.
That is definitely a say well critical.
She looks so hot. She genuinely looks so hot.
Because it looks like she's wearing nothing but a hat.
Would.
We have Dog Lady.
Do we?
Yeah.
I sniped Tash and Jen like a couple weeks ago. And I was on Dog Lady and I put them on this map literally so I could grab Tash's body and bring her down to the bed and hump her. That's it. That's all I wanted to do. And Jen. Alright. Let's go do a Jen.
This location.
Can you still get on this bed? You can't. Damn. Alright, let's do this one. Yeah, you can't get on it anymore. I swear you used to be able to with this house, right? Whoa, is that all you need to do to get Chemtrap? That's crazy. That's all you have to do on the gen. That's it. That's wild.
Yep.
That is actually wild. Oh my god, crit! You scared me, bro. Ah!
Oh, not Scudgies, what's it called?
Passed it down. Jolt, surge, eruption.
So...
Whoopsie. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh, he knows I'm here.
I wish it was that easy to get Blast Mine. Well, they nerfed it. No, they buffed it, sorry. They buffed it a little bit at least, didn't they, recently? It was not as bad. Or was that, did that not get included? I think it was Wiretap got included. Wiretap and Flashbang, I think? Maybe Blast Mine wasn't in it. I should get this house gen done. Which is good. Still feels like it takes forever. Maybe I'll put it on next round and have a look. But I do feel that with Wiretap sometimes I'm like, could you just like hurry up so I can use you and repress as well? Oh, hi. Yes, this gen. We need a middle gen, I think. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I need to go take a hit. Yes, please. I got you, girl. I'll do Blast Mine. And, what should I run with Blast Mine, guys? Any recommendations?
Wiretap.
I was wondering, should I do Wiretap? Because then he'll be too scared to kick it, and then I won't have to run repressed. Oh my god, that emote's so cute. That reminds me of my Eevee eyeball one. Why'd crit go down?
Where does she go to?
Why can't I see the aura?
Here? It's right on the...
Hi, baby! You've been following me for 8 months? Holy shit, time flies. We nearly have a baby. We do nearly have a baby. Am I gonna pop it out or are you gonna pop it out? Oh no, bestie.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just
Right.
get
I'm inside.
crit off.
I come to that hook.
Should we take hits?
Just... but she's here now.
That was so weird. My key
Gonna
was
gen
like
that.
stuck. Oh. Woo! I ran into a fence. That was... Come on, make it! Everyone wants to see it. Oh no! Break it, break it, break it, break it. Oh no, 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 no. Damn it! Listen, my key was stuck and I was too interested in that. Did you see? I'm on keyboard. I shouldn't be able to walk like that. Oh my god, this is hot. This is hot. Oh, I'm getting dropped.
Background player letting me actually get away.
Hold on. Sorry, I'll catch up on chat in a sec. Ah! Yeah, I'm getting spicy Christmas Jane. Addie, do you love it? I look so cute. And also, I mention this every time someone brings it up. Look at my charms. Oh my god, I love them so much. I love them. Am I far enough from a hook? I feel like I'm okay now. Nice stun. Okay, what did I miss? What did I miss? What did I miss? I was half focusing and half playing Boom Beach. Boom Beach? What's Boom Beach? You love it? Oh my god. Yes, I love it too. I'm so obsessed. Pick me up. Pick me up, dog lady. You know you want to. I'll show you my charms in a sec once I get up. They're bloody cute. Wait, maybe I can change the angle. Hard with the stream delay. I'm alive. Oh, she's back.
Yeah, man, I can't even use dead hard like this.
Fuck it, I'm gonna just use that.
Is there an add-on that makes it hard to get out of the dog?
Do I get I'm gonna get on a gen. I'm gonna get on a gen. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm coming.
Yeah. The
Who's who?
default can be tapped. And she goes straight for him though.
Oh, okay. I better get you. I better get you. They are. Oh yeah, can you see it? They are cute, right?
She's so funny. Yeah.
You didn't expect that, did ya? Whoa! Anyone just see Sable just go fucking Flappy Bird? Oh, hi!
Hoping for it
God.
to swing.
We're in danger.
Swing. You know she's there. Yeah.
Oh, fuck! She held that. Nice. That was well played. That was well played. Help! Boom Beach is a mobile game made... Oh, really? Clash? Really? Is it good? Is it like the same kind of thing? I'm in danger! Help! Help me. I'm just a girl.
She comes for me.
Are you gonna see my booty? Probably not because of the follower goal.
Straight if you want. No, never mind.